Why worker safety is so important in a real estate project? आप जानना चाहते हैं? Today we are going to be talking about workers are the foundation. Workers are the foundation of any real estate project. They are the ones who build and construct the buildings and infrastructure that are essential for our communities. Therefore, ensuring their safety is critical. Hi, this is Pankaj K, your very own real estate strategist and the founder of Legendary Real Estate Hub. So today I am going to be talking about the why worker safety is so important in a real estate project. Welcome to this another most important video about the importance of worker safety in a real estate project. Real estate projects are essential for our communities and economies, but they can also be hazardous. In this video, we'll discuss why worker safety is so very important in a real estate project. First, we'll be talking about reducing injury and fatalities. Worker safety in a real estate project is essential to reduce injuries and fatalities. Construction sites are, full of hazards such as falls, electrical shocks, and accidents with heavy machinery. By implementing safety measures, we can reduce the number of accidents and protect workers from harm. Next, going forward, we'll be talking about improving productivity. Worker safety in a real estate project can improve productivity. When workers are really safe, they are more productive, motivated. By implementing safety measures, we can create a better work environment and improve our work culture or work morale. Going forward, reducing costs, by providing safety to the workers or worker safety in a real estate project can also reduce costs. Accidents can result in lost time, medical expenses, and legal fees. By implementing safety measures, we can reduce the number of accidents and associated costs. Going forward, complying with regulations. Worker safety in a real estate project is necessary to comply with the government or authoritative regulations. There are strict regulations regarding worker safety in construction sites. Failing to comply with these regulations can result in fines and legal consequences. Protecting the company's reputation. Worker safety in a real estate project is also essential to protect the company's reputation. Accidents on construction sites can damage the company's reputation and credibility. So by implementing safety measures, we can show our commitment to worker safety and protect our reputation. Ensuring project completion. Worker safety in a real estate project is essential to ensure project completion, as simple as that. Accidents and injuries can delay the project, resulting in additional costs and lost revenue. By implementing safety measures, we can ensure that the project is completed on time and within budget. Therefore, in conclusion, worker safety in a real estate project is critical. It protects workers from harm, reduces costs, improves productivity, complies with regulations, protects the company's reputation, and ensure project completion. By implementing safety measures, we can create a safe and productive work environment and build the essential infrastructure our communities need. So if I would like to elaborate few of the examples I have seen in front of my eyes in few of my projects. Fatalities. Some fatalities happen in any projects. It causes lost time by closing down the project for couple of days, in some cases couple of weeks, in some cases couple of months, 10 years before, 15 years before, 20 years before, when there was very less safety standards being maintained. when many incidents have happened like that, and the projects had to be closed for a couple of days, which is nothing but a loss to everybody. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please go to the link below and put your comment if you want more videos like this, or if you want any other video in relation to the construction activity, please mention. Also go to the comment box below and comment on today's video. Thank you very much. Signing off for now. See you in my next video.